I'm Grandma from Grandma's Lavender, and this is Luca. Hi, Luca. He's the happy little man because he gets to use all our happy bum stuff on his little bum. Yeah. Today we're going to be doing a little tutorial on how to make your own baby wipes using our Messy Bum Spray. We've gotten a lot of questions about what is this Messy Bum Spray for, and you know, it's really a remarkable product if you're using cloth diapers and cloth wipes, but you can use it for so much more. If you do use cloth diapers and cloth wipes, there's a couple ways that you can do it with a cloth wipe. You can just spray this on the wipe when you use it, or you can use an old container from wipes, and you can actually take organic flannel and cut it in 6x6 squares and then fold them in half and put them in here, and then pour a mixture of water and the bum spray over them, and they're all ready to use. I'm going to show you how to make the solution for the baby wipes, but today what we're really doing is making baby wipes using paper towels. I found that Viva paper towels, the full sheet, you don't want to get the little half sheets or partial sheets. You want the full sheet Viva paper towels. They are the strongest and softest. They absorb the fluid the best, and they tend to keep their shape and everything. So they're the best one to use. You can try other ones. You can, whatever you'd like to use. As far as cost wise, I got these on sale, and they ended up being like $1 a roll. You're going to cut a roll into thirds, so 33 cents a roll. This is $8 for the Messy Bum Spray, and you're going to use 1/8 of a cup, so this will be used for 8 containers of baby wipes. So the cost is $1.33 for the same number of wipes as you would get in a container, any brand container, and the cheapest I've seen them for is $1.99, but that's the type of wipes that have chemicals and ingredients that you really don't want on your baby's bottom. So our product is all natural and organic. It's very gentle on the skin. It has some natural oils in it that moisturize the baby's skin, and a little bit of a Castile soap in it to cleanse their bottom. So this is how we do it. You have to have a very large knife because this is not easy to cut through, and you do not want to use a serrated knife because it will make a mess. So you take a very large knife, and I've already cut 1/3 of this off, and you mark it in thirds and then just cut it into thirds. And as you can see, it takes a little bit of doing, and I'm not the strongest person, and I can do this, so pretty much anyone can. Then you're going to place it in your container. Now you can use, this is just a Ziploc large round container, and then this is an old wipes container. Now it looks like it's not going to fit into the wipe container, but it will once you pour the liquid over it. So what you need is a measuring cup and just a little over a cup of water. We use purified water in ours, but you could use like distilled water or something like that. And then 1/8 of a cup of the Messy Bottom Spray, and just pour that in there. And then all you do is pour it over the paper towels. Just kind of soak them with the solution. It's really actually kind of amazing how this works. It's very cool. Okay, and once it's saturated with the solution, then you pull the middle section out. And actually, it's usually pretty easy. There you go, and then you get a start on your wipes. And you can just put that right through the center. And these will smash down a little bit so that you can close this container. And there you go. And you just pull off your wipe when you're ready to use it. So it's really easy. I'm going to fill this up with water and do this one too to show you how you can just use a Ziploc or a Rubbermaid container. So once again, just a little over a cup of purified water. We have reverse osmosis, so that's what we like to use in our products. And 1/8 of a cup. and 1/8 of a cup is equal to 2 tablespoons. So then you just pour it over this like you did on the other. And when it's all done, you pull out the middle section and you put the lid on and you're good to go. So hopefully this is helpful for you. It's a really cost-effective and very healthy way to take care of your baby's bottom.